A brief introduction to my simply constructed A-axis, built with materials available in my workshop. The 62207 deep groove ball bearings with a 72 millimeters diameter are almost as large as the bearing block. The coaxiality of the bearing seats is important. One bearing is pressed into the block, the other is pressed onto the shaft. The chuck flange is mounted so that the bearing preload is 0.17 millimeters, eliminating radial play. Not many components are required. The negative motor mount allows the pulley to be attached close to the motor body. A 22th M 3-timing belt is used on the motor, driving 72 teeth. This results in a resolution of 20 steps per degree. The 80 millimeters 3-jaw chuck can clamp up to a 67 millimeters diameter. And has a center height of 65.1 millimeters. Due to the gear ratio, the chuck diameter is limited. The stepper motor's holding torque may be insufficient when using a large chuck. When not in use, if the device is stowed away and the power supply to the driver is disconnected, Linux CNC then simulates the A-axis. After many rotations, axis position has become a high value. To avoid a long unwind process to go back to zero, modulo operation is used to manipulate offset. The non-functional parts shown here are for demonstration purposes only. The hemisphere was created using a parameter program.